Now I will show you two simple examples from function. The first example, function of x equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 2x. Find function of 1, function of 0, function of minus 3. Function of x given, so function of 1 will be, we will simply put 1 in place of x. 4 into 1 plus 3 divided by 2 into 1. That means 4 plus 3 by 2, 7 by 2. Function of 0, 2 into 0 plus 3 divided by 2 into 0. You know that we cannot put a 0 in denominator of any function. So, function of 0 is not possible. Function of minus 3 equal to, we will put minus 3 in place of x. 4 into minus 3 plus 3 divided by 2 into minus 3. Minus 12 plus 3 divided by minus 6. Minus 9 divided by minus 6. 3 by 2. This is the procedure of finding the value of a given function. Now let's check another example. Given that function of x equal to mx minus 5, given that function of 2 equal to 3, find the value of m. Function of 2 means what? M into, we will put 2 in place of x minus 5. So function of 2, the value is given 3 equal to 2m minus 5. So 3 plus 5 equal to 2m, 8 equal to 2m, 8 by 2 equal to m, 4 equals to m, therefore m equal to 4. This is our answer. Now we will learn about inverse function. Here a function is given, fx equal to 7x plus 5 by 3. Find the value of f inverse x. So we will learn now how to find inverse function. Very easy. First of all, let y equal to 7x plus 5 by 3. We will just put a y in place of function of x. So we will simplify this and find an expression for x. So 3 into y, 3y equal to 7x plus 5. That means 3y minus 5 equal to 7x. 3y minus 5 by 7 equal to x. Therefore, x equal to 3y minus 5 by 7. We have now an expression of x in terms of y. So, what shall we do next is very easy. We simply put a function inverse x in place of x and we will put an x in place of y. This is our inverse function. Now, for better clarification, we will discuss another example. Given that function of x equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 2x, find the value of function inverse x. In the same process, we will let y equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 2x. We will simply put a y in place of function of x. So, by cross multiplication, 2xy equal to 4x plus 3. 2xy minus 4x equal to 3. If we take x as a common factor, 2y minus 4 equal to 3. So x equal to 3 divided by 2y minus 4. So if we place a function inverse here, function inverse x equal to 3 divided by, we will put an x here. So this is the expression of function inverse x. So this is our answer. Now let's see another example. Given that function of x equal to 3 divided by 2x minus 5, you need to find function of 2 and function inverse half. We did it before, the question number 1. Function of x is given, so function of 2 is the same expression. We will just put a 2 in place of x. So 2 into 2 minus 5. 3 divided by 4 minus 5. 3 divided by minus 1, that means minus 3. What about function inverse sub? What shall we do to find the value of function inverse sub? Should we derive an expression for function inverse x from here and put the value of half instead of x, or do something else? If we derive the expression of function inverse x from here, it will be a large math like this, and there must be some shortcuts to solve this math easily. So let's learn that. We are given that function of x equal to 3 divided by 2x minus 5. And we are asked to find the value of function inverse half. The thing that we will do is we will let function inverse half as a. So in next line we can say that half equal to function a. Function inverse, when it changes its sides, it becomes function. So half equal to function of a. Function of x is given, so function of a can be found very easily. 3 divided by 2a minus 5. We just put the value of a in place of x. From this equation, we can calculate the value of a very easily. We can use cross multiplication. 1 multiplied by 2a minus 5 equal to 3 multiplied by 2. 2a minus 5 equal to 6. 2a equal to 11. So a equal to 11 by 2. Therefore, a equal to 5.5. What is a? A is function inverse half. Therefore, function inverse half equal to 5.5. This is our answer.